Hi everyone, welcome back to Titi's Garden. Today I'll be showing you how I do my transplant, my pepper transplant in using this mini grow bags. I've used this last year and it did so well, so I'm going to show you the process now. Before I do that, my peppers have been on now for about 3 to 4 weeks. And before you do any transplant, ensure that your pepper plant have at least two sets of leaves. That's apart from the true leaves, there are two sets that have grown before you can start your transplant. So I'll be showing you now how I do this into this mini bags. This comes in various sizes. That is 12 inches by 15, and I got this on online. It's very reasonable. The price is reasonable. It comes in a pack of 50 and it's very durable. You can see this, very easy to absorb water. And the another good thing about it, I have different sizes and you can also write on it. I write with a permanent marker, and it's going to stay that way until maybe I do the transplant finally outside. So this is two different sizes. The first one is 12 by 15 inches and the longer one is 12 by 18 inches. So you can see, very easy. You can put your soil in and you don't have any problem. I did this last year and it was a success. This is going to actually save you, a lot of space. I normally have a lot of pepper plant, and this really helped me last year. Instead of having just like 15 cups in a tray, I can put up to 30 of these bags in one tray, and it's going to save me a lot of spaces. So that is why I'm using this, and I would like you to also try it. I'm introducing this so that people can see it. It's something I've tried and it worked for me. So I'll go straight to how I do the transplant. You can see I've already put in my soil, and I'm going to use this tray. This is my unsuka pepper. That's a plant I have right here. Remember to label before you start transplanting. These ones have been labeled already, so I will start with this. This is my first plant. As this cell, I use more than, about 4 seeds and everything germinated, but you can easily separate them. I like it when the soil is dry. That way you won't be able to destroy any of the roots. So you pull them apart gently, and then you'll be able to put in the bags. You can see this bag, I just need to create hole in between and I drop my plant into them. So very straightforward. Same process with the way I do the transplant in the cups. So I'm going to do the same process for the other grow bags. I'm going to fill them all up, and it's very straightforward. Just leave a hole in the middle and then you drop your plant into it. So you can see all this has been done right now. And remember, I said it comes in different sizes. This is actually a big one that I had to fold over, and my plant, you can see, is sitting perfectly just the same way I do in the ones for the cups. So that's it. And it's very easy also if you need to water it. I water by just putting water in the tray. I'm not going to put so much water now because this soil is wet already. But in case you need to water, just put the water in the tray and it's going to absorb it. Next, we are going to see how I do the transplants in the ones in the cup. The same process is just that this cups takes a lot of spaces, and the other bags actually smaller, but it takes the same amount of soil. So here we are. I have another set of pepper that are ready for transplant, and I'm going to be transplanting into the cups. It's the same process. You can see when the soil is dry, it's easier. You just bring it out. Before you bring out, don't pull. You just take it from, push the cells from underneath. When you pull, the soil comes out and then you lift it up. like that and drop in the cup. Then, and I'm going to do the same thing for the other cups. Remember to label your cups. If you can put the date, that will be fine also, so that you can remember when you actually started and how long it took you before you did the final transplant outside. So these are my transplant now in the cup. Easier when it's dry, like I said before. It helps and it doesn't damage the root. And easy, okay, very easy. Let's do more. I'll be doing these other ones too. And once I'm done with all the trays, I put them back in the greenhouse. It's going to stay there for another 6 to 8 weeks before finally transplanting them outside. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel and watch out for more video. See you later. Bye now.